Samsung TV no signal fix 2026. Nothing is more frustrating than a blank Samsung screen when you want to watch your show. I know that feeling. Let us get you back to your entertainment right now. Most no signal issues are simple DIY fixes. I have gathered the best verified solutions for 2026. We will do this step by step. Stuck? Comment below. I personally reply within 1 hour to help you. I am here for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more simple fixes. Now, let us jump into the solutions. Step 1. Check your physical connections. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends. Look for damage. Plug it back in firmly until it clicks. Step 2. Try a different HDMI port. Move your cable to HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. Dust or static can sometimes disable a single port. Step 3. Select the correct source. Go to Home, then go to Source. Match the menu selection to the physical port you are using. Step 4. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds. This resets the internal logic of the TV. While unplugged, hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Plug it back in. This fixes most handshake errors and system glitches. Step 5. Reset the HDMI handshake, turn off both devices. Unplug the cable, plug it back in, turn on the TV first, then your device. Step 6. Update your firmware. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then select Software Update. Samsung updates fix device compatibility issues. Step 7. Factory reset as a last resort. Go to Settings, then go to General, then select Reset. This clears deep system errors. Step 8. Clean the ports. Use a flashlight to check for dust or bent pins. Use compressed air to gently clear any debris. I hope these verified steps got your signal back. Stay patient and work through them. You have done a great job today. Thanks for watching TechVibes. If you are still stuck, drop a comment. See you in the next fix.